Hello everybody, here I will show you how to integrate Shiprocket Checkout with Shopify. Before we dive into the details, let's consider why this integration is so essential for your Shopify store. If you've ever struggled with keeping track of your shipping and delivery processes, you'll know it can be quite a challenge. Integrating Shiprocket with Shopify is a fantastic way to streamline these processes, offering you an automated system to manage orders, handle logistics, and provide a smooth experience for your customers. By the end of this tutorial, you'll see how this integration can eliminate manual data entry and reduce errors, ultimately saving you time and effort while enhancing customer satisfaction. So, let's get started on this journey to make your business operations more efficient. To kick things off, the first crucial step is to install the Shiprocket app onto your Shopify store. Think of this as setting the foundation for all the amazing features you're about to unlock. You'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard, which serves as your primary command center for everything related to your online store. Once you're there, keep your eyes peeled for the App Store. This is where you'll find the tools to enhance your store's functionality. In the App Store search bar, type in Shiprocket. It should soon appear in the search results. Click on it and then hit the install button. This step is not only straightforward, but also the gateway to simplifying your shipping tasks. Now that you've successfully installed the Shiprocket app, the next step is to connect it to your Shopify store. This step is vital because it creates a seamless link between Shiprocket and your existing store setup. By doing this, you ensure that every order processed in your Shopify account is automatically linked to Shiprocket's logistics management system. This means less manual work for you and fewer chances of errors. To connect the app, open the Shiprocket app within your Shopify account. Here, you'll find an option to connect your store. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to log in. If you don't have a Shiprocket account yet, you'll need to sign up for one. Be sure to use a valid email address or connect using available social accounts, as this will make future access much easier. Once you log into the Shiprocket portal, you're effectively tying together all those administrative and logistical elements with your Shopify store. This integration is like having a personal assistant for your shipping needs. Whether you're dealing with local deliveries or international orders, your system is now equipped to handle everything more efficiently. A quick tip: ensure that both your Shopify and Shiprocket account settings are configured properly. This will allow for smooth order processing right from the start. If you run into any hiccups, don't worry. Shiprocket offers detailed support resources to help you troubleshoot any issues. Never hesitate to reach out to their support team if you need assistance. And there you have it, a detailed walkthrough on integrating Shiprocket Checkout with your Shopify store. With this integration complete, you now have a powerful solution for managing shipments and improving the service you provide to your customers. Your business is now prepared to operate more efficiently, managing everything from local deliveries to international shipments with ease. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to integrate Shiprocket Checkout with Shopify. If it did, please let us know down in the comments section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.